Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you a hidden feature that allows you to add your name to the lock screen, either at the top right under the clock or even at the very bottom. I'm going to show you both options to add your name or really any text that you want. Now, first, let's tackle the name at the very bottom. You can see I have a little fire icon and my name, Trevor Nace. To be able to do that, we need to head into the settings. So open up the settings app on your iPhone, and then we're gonna scroll down from here and you'll be able to see under sounds and haptics is focus. Just tap on that. And now from here, if I tap on the little plus at the top right and tap on custom, I can create a focus mode that essentially is my name or whatever text that you want to show up on there. So I can name it Trevor, or I could name it anything I want, like something like Trevor is awesome. Whatever I want. Oh, if I could text here, Trevor is awesome. Something like that, and hit next. Now, after you go through and create that focus mode, you'll be able to see Trevor is awesome, focus. And if I go back out of here, I have this other focus called Trevor Nace, and it's currently set to on. Now, after you've created that focus mode, we can swipe down from the top right and tap on the little do not disturb button and choose either Trevor Nace or Trevor is awesome, whatever one that you just created. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see that little symbol as well as the name will show up on the lock screen at the bottom here. So again, you can have any message that you want, any text, and you can have any symbol as well. Now let's tackle your name at the top right under the clock here. Now hop out of here and we're gonna open up the App Store. You can't do this just using the built-in apps. Unfortunately, you do need a third-party app. And this is the one that I like, but there are a bunch of other text widgets that you can use. So just download and install a text widget, in this case, any text widgets here, and then download it and tap the open button. I'll show you how to configure this so that you'll be able to have your name on the lock screen. But first, if this helps you so far, hit that subscribe button down below, leave a like. It only takes you a couple seconds, but it really helps me make these videos for free. Now, on here, you can see once we open it up, it says widget 1. And in this case, all you need to do is type in your name. Or again, you can type in anything that you want. You can type in your girlfriend's name or your wife's name. Or you could just say, hi, have a good day, whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to type in my name. And on that, I'm going to tap on the little palette icon at the top right, because I also want to change a few things. Now, if font size is turned on, this will just basically customize the font size elsewhere or in your system. But let's turn this off and bump this all the way up so that the font is as big as possible. I'm going to text align to the left, and you can choose a different font style if you wanted to as well. Let's choose, in this case, Chalk Duster. And I'm going to make this bold, as well as tapping on text, and I want this to be kind of a lime green color. Now I've done all that and I entered in my text that I want to be in that widget, and I'm good to go in this app. Now let's add it just by swiping down from the top left. And now I'm gonna press and hold on the iPhone screen, and you can see it pops up with a screen that looks like this. From here, I'm gonna tap on customize at the bottom, and you'll be able to see the little app widgets. I can tap on these. Let's say this didn't exist. I can tap on it, and then I'm gonna scroll down until I find that text widget app. So there it is, text widget. Tap on it, and you can see here is Trevor Nace. Again, you can have a bunch of other ones, widget 2, widget 3, with different sayings or inspirational quotes or anything like that. But I'm going to tap on Trevor Nace in this case, and you can see just like that, it adds it to the lock screen. I can add other things like the calendar or the clock, or I can add the weather. When I'm done, I can hit the done button at the top right. And just like that, whenever I lock my iPhone, you'll be able to see Trevor Nace at the top left here. I can always change the font or color and make it bigger or smaller, as well as Trevor Nace at the very bottom. Again, I hope this helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.